DJI just took one of its OG drones, fed it some protein shakes, pulled its pants up, slapped on a fresh pair of kicks and sent it back out into the wild as the DJI Neo 2. Now, after months of blurry spy shots, FCC listing leaks and cryptic whispers along the internet, the DJI Neo 2 is finally coming in for a landing, with rumours of longer flight times, smarter obstacle avoidance and a price tag that won't break the bank. This could actually be the drone that turns casual flyers into creators and pros into believers. Now let's dive into it. Let's talk about the camera magic that the rumour mill is buzzing about. Now, we're supposed to be getting a 1 by 1.3 inch CMOS sensor with possibly a dual ISO. That means your sunrise and your city night shots won't look like they were filmed on a baked potato. Expect 4K with 60 frames with a 10-bit D-Log M and maybe AI tracking that actually works as good as we want it to, with new vision positioning system and a beefier obstacle avoidance, and it may just make your footage look like you've been doing this for a very long time. Now, the batteries had an upgrade, with the Neo 2 packing an 11.6 watt hour cell compared to the original Neos that was 10.4 watt hour cell. That's around 10% more juice, which in drone terms means fewer "oh crap, I've got to land, me battery's dying," and gives you more time for that golden hour shot swooping through a cornfield right before gravity gives you the side eye. But DJI is keeping flight numbers under wraps, but whispers say we're getting above 20 minutes in good conditions, which I highly doubt. For most of us, that means 6 minutes in manual. Now let's talk about the price of this Neo 2. Now, the price tag of this Neo 2 is going to make you do a double take. When the original Neo launched, it was priced at around $260, and I think that was £200 sterling. But the word on the airwaves is that the DJI Neo 2 is going to be priced at around just under $350. We're talking about £300 sterling here, which isn't too bad at all. In the drone world, that's basically DJI saying, hey, here's a pocket beast for the price of a weekend getaway, minus the creepy Airbnb hosts. Now, the whispers around the launch plan are there's pre-orders mid-August with shipping early September. That's perfect timing for your autumn hikes and your cinematic leaves falling while you're doing your moody shots for your content. Now, we're obviously going to be talking about two bundles here, the standard kit and the Fly More combo kit with extra props, batteries and a carry case too. So you can strut around like you're on a production set, and maybe, just maybe, a mini FPV headset to drop alongside of it. Now, the bottom line is that the DJI Neo 2 isn't just an upgrade. I think it's DJI showing off. It's light, it's smart, it's affordable, and it's ready to turn casual flyers into creators. Whether you're chasing your dog through the park, filming travel reels, or you just want to see your neighborhood from a bird's eye view without selling your kidney food, the Neo 2 might just be the sleeper hit of 2025. So is the DJI Neo 2 your next drone? It'll probably be mine. Probably, what am I saying? I'm definitely gonna get it. So please drop a comment, hit like and smash that bell, and keep your eyes peeled for my flight review of the DJI Neo 2. Because who knows, this little thing might just be my new favorite toy. So there you have it. The DJI Neo 2 is shaping out to be the little drone that could, packed with upgrades, priced like it missed the memo on inflation, and it looks like it's ready to turn casual flyers into full-on creators. So if you're as hyped for this thing as I am, stick around, because as soon as I get my hands on one, I'll be taking it for a proper spin, and trust me, you're going to want to see these flight tests. Now, hit that subscribe button and slap that bell like it owes you money, and drop a comment below and tell me what you do first with your Neo 2. And until the next time, fly safe, shoot epic. I'm Adam from Drone and Lens. You guys have been colourful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching, and if you got any type of value whatsoever, please smash that subscribe button, as it really helps my channel grow. I'm Adam from Drone and Lens. You guys have been colourful, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.